はじめまして、私は星木セレナです。よろしくお願いします。Buongiorno a tutti, mi chiamo Serena Foschi e sono molto lieta di conoscervi. I teach online since 2008 and I like a lot teaching online. I prefer teaching online because they are private lessons. I enjoy my job a lot. I offer different lessons from beginners to advanced lessons and also listening comprehension lessons, conversation lessons. If a student does not know very well the level, I send a test before the first free trial and I can correct it and I can check the level and suggest to a student the course that better could be useful for him or for her. I would like to thank all the students, all my students in Cafe Talk and also my future students. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Mille grazie e spero di vedervi presto. I wish you to see you for my lessons soon. Bye bye. Ciao.